Inside the dressing plant, the cattle are moved on overhead conveyors. This is called the disassembly line. As they move along, skilled butchers remove the hides, which are very carefully saved and are later made into leather. Other butchers split the beef into halves. Each half is called a side. The sides are washed with hot water. Everything is kept clean and sanitary. U.S. government inspectors are always present in meat-packing plants that sell their products in other states. The job of this highly trained inspector is to inspect the meat for purity. The beef sides are covered with muslin sheets before cooling. This shapes the fat so that it will not tend to run, causing it to be lumpy after it has been cooled. They are then moved along the trolley to the chill rooms, where they are cooled to a temperature just above freezing. A day or two later, when the meat has been chilled, it may be graded for quality by the meat packers or by a government man. This side of beef is marked prime, which means it meets the government standards for the very best. Among the things the grader looks for are these fine lines of fat which run through the red part of the meat. Lambs and sheep go on a disassembly line too, but they are not split into sides. They are kept in the chill rooms until ready for market. Hogs which have been chilled move into the pork cutting department. The hams, which are the hind legs, are cut off, as are the shoulders or front legs. The hams are skinned, and some fat is removed. They are sent to the curing cellars. The rest of the carcass starts along the disassembly line. A butcher expertly pulls out the pork loin with his two-handled knife. The spare ribs are removed. Bacon is made from the belly of the hog. This roller flattens the slab of bacon. The backs are sent to be made into lard or salt pork. The trimmings are separated into lean meat and fat. The fat goes to the refinery to be rendered into lard and many other products. Hams, after curing, are wrapped in cotton stockinettes. They are hung on ham trees and moved into the smokehouse. The smoke, made by burning sawdust from wood like hickory, circulates among the hams for about 2 days. After the hams are cooled, they are wrapped for shipping to market. Bacon is smoked like ham. Later, it is sliced, separated into individual packages, weighed, and wrapped to help protect the meat and to retain the flavor. In making frankfurters, ground and spiced meat is forced into the sausage casing by air pressure and automatically linked. It goes to the smoke rooms to bring out the flavor. The frankfurters are then wrapped and made ready for market.